Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Plug the drive into a native USB 3.x or Thunderbolt port and use a short certified cable. Once done, check the drive's current format and smart/health using your system tools. Poor health slows writes. Make sure you've backed up critical files before proceeding. While you do that, close heavy apps and disable background sync. This frees system I/O. Now you're ready to move into the active tuning steps. Next, you'll optimize both host and drive. Update the USB controller and SSD firmware, outdated drivers throttle transfers. Then set your OS power plan to high performance and turn off disk sleep to prevent throttling. If needed, reformat or repartition with proper alignment. Misaligned partitions reduce sequential speeds. Choose NTFS for Windows-heavy use or XFAT for cross-platform compatibility, and set allocation unit size to 64K for large file workloads. Once applied, finally, verify the results by running a sequential write benchmark and a real-world large file copy. Compare before and after numbers. If performance remains poor, swap the cable and try a different native port or another computer to isolate the bottleneck. Make sure thermal throttling isn't happening. Feel the enclosure and allow airflow. If smart flags or sustained low writes persist, restore factory settings or contact the vendor for RMA. One quick tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.